My name is Rob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mark your sales and purchase invoices as paid in the quantum economic system. This is an important step because once your invoices have been created and digitized, the system needs to know when each one has been collected or paid. Any questions? Just contact us. We begin by going to the Income Expenses menu on the left-hand sidebar of Quantum's main dashboard. This is where we can find all issued and received invoices and update their payment status. Let us start with your sales invoices. Here, we can see a list of issued invoices, and some of them appear as pending collection. We click on the invoice that is still pending. Inside the invoice, we open the Advanced Options menu and select Make Collection. A small window appears where we enter the payment details. We add the payment date. This is normally the same as the invoice date. Then we write a short note such as P/client name plus invoice number. Next, we select the bank for which the payment was received. Once everything is completed, we click Accept and then Confirm and Record. The invoice will now appear marked as collected. Now we do the same with supplier invoices. At the top of the screen, we switch from issued to received. These invoices also appear as pending payment. We click on one of them and again go to Advanced Options, where we now select Make Payment. In the payment window, we enter the invoice date as the payment date. We add a note such as P/supplier name plus invoice number. Then we select the bank used to make the payment. Finally, we click Accept and Confirm and Count. The invoice will now show as paid, just like with client invoices. So, that is how you can mark your sales and purchase invoices as paid in the Quantum system. It is a quick and reliable way to keep your records up to date and avoid having invoices showing as pending when they have already been settled. This tool is included in the bookkeeping service we provide to all our clients. If you would like more information, just contact us.